Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I'm going to be attempting today is a version of the Blue Whale Challenge that I'm going to call the Padlock version. So you can, in the belt system, you can count a higher belt for a lower belt. So instead of doing white through blue, I'm just going to try to go green, 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 and then a blue. So these will count as my white, yellow, orange, and then green. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. This is an American lock version, so the Blue Whale Challenge. Yeah, I can keep my tensioner in there. I think my tensioner needs a little bit of love here. Now the camera's on. Locks are going to be, if you don't know, locks become camera shy. They're very self-conscious. They don't like opening on camera. Alright, I'll get a little different technique there. But anyway, let's try the second one. See if the second one's going to be camera shy on me. Right. Get a nudge every once in a while. A little bit of a false set, deeper false set. So hopefully I just got a spool left. A little bit of feedback there. Let's try it. Let's see. Yep. All right, number 2 down. What was that with the core? The core turned. It is locked up. Sorry, the core must have snapped back when I closed it last time. Alright, so I'm down to a spool, got feedback. Get on that pin though, not on the pin. Gotta hurry up because that Lockwood usually takes a while. I got my time for that Lockwood. Come on. Oop. Lost my false set. I think I overset the spool. Oh well. Try again. Alright, a little massage. Now it's popped backwards too. Alright. I can hear it now. People, oh, you take the pins out. No, I didn't take the pins out. Everybody kind of has their own little technique. I've seen Pekingese Americans. Some people say heavy tension, some people say light tension. I tend to be more on the light side with these. Alright, just dropped in my false set. Don't lose it. My tensioner is coming out. Just lost my false set again. Alright, massage it back. Let's find it. Find it again. Who wants to talk? Here's my talker. Oop, must be two in here. Yep, two spools. Alright. So down to this Lockwood. It's gonna be down to the wire. Because this thing is very tight tolerances, and it's all spools. Love this lock. Beautiful. Alright. Just trying to get my first false set. A little bit of a false set. And these spools are so fine, I mean, it don't take much to counter rotate them. Make sure I'm still up. Alright, I do know for these back ones. Alright, somebody dropped. Alright. And it's very subtle feedback. These. Alright, let me go into the back. Go all the way to the back and come out with this long hook. Usually I can. Pin 6 is a little tough to get under. Pin 5's give me a little bit. Let's see if I can massage pin 5 up. Oop. I heard some drop. So let's come out to the front. Double check everybody with this long hook. Okay. I may have overset. I feel like I'm overset. Let me just see if I can drop somebody down. There we go. We're back in the false set. This is not one I usually like to speed through. All right. Ooh. Down to the wire, I think. So, there we go. I'll call that the Blue Whale American / Lockwood padlock version. All right. Thanks for watching.